Hello. What if you could turn your text assets into image assets for your text content? Yeah, that's exactly what I built here with my new MCP server. It can take your text content, so your blog post, your technical presentation material, social media posts, you name it, and turn it into text assets or infographics. I'll go through a little bit about what it can do, and then I'll show you the results. So there's a image generation tool. This tool will generate the image itself, and it will apply certain things. So you have some pre-configured templates here. You can also add your own templates, but it can generate flowcharts, timelines, comparisons, statistics, social media, or presentation type materials in different styles. So the styles you have to choose from are modern, professional, playful, minimalist, and corporate. Each of these can be adjusted. You can also apply your own branding. So you can apply your own styling, your own colors, your own fonts, and it will remember that over sessions. So you can do that all in the config. There is a bunch of different configurations you can do for output sizes, output types, if you want a JPEG or a PNG or SVG, and so on. You can also save all of your history to compare results. You can also use this refinement tool, which basically lets you send back your assets, so your image, and refine it again with the new prompt. So if you're not happy with the first generation, you just run it through the refiner, which has some additional prompting techniques to get a better result on a second try. There is some pre-configured prompts that you can use, but you can also send any prompt to your client to use. And that's a little bit about the tool itself. Now I'll show you here a run that I just did that is probably still in progress. So I doing it through Claude desktop app here, my service running in the background. So I just have my service set up and configured. I have my tools here. You can see I also have some additional tools here that was not in the README there, but I have also video assets for YouTube videos and thumbnails, and also some additional templates for that as well. But yeah, here's a LinkedIn post that I posted yesterday, and I asked it to create some assets for me. So you can see it's almost done here. It's created 6 assets so far, or it's on this creating the 6th one. So you can see here, it chunks up the content, and it sends a piece of the content to our image generator. In the background, there is processing that's happening, and then it spits out an image for us. So you can configure where you want to save these images. I save them in this folder here. I just open all of them so we can take a look. So it creates some agent orchestration related content here, because I was talking about agent orchestration and compute in my latest post. I talked about OpenAI, Jules, and different coding agents, and so on. So you see it's staying on topic. Quite a lot of text. But yeah, here you see the timeline example. So you see there is some discrepancies here. So you would want to run this through the refiner to get it good. Uh, some automation stuff, some visuals here, and just a poster. And yeah, you can see. So it has created some infographics for us here, and it's done it based on the content that I provided. It's also here starting to add now some other things. So it's continuing. Now I think this used template for presentation, and it applies, some random brand colors here, because I haven't specified my brand colors. So that's why you see that it's such a scattered palette, right? There is like different colors on all of these. But if you configure that, it will stay on brand and consistent. And yeah, we can see here maybe an example: style, tech review, comparison. And this is our, yeah, let's see. So the one that ends with 123F. Let's see if we can find it. It's gonna be hard. This one. So that's that generation right there. So yeah, it's very traceable. It gives you a result here when it's done, and you can, of course, now refine these. And it gives me a usage plan here, sequence of sending these out. So yeah, the new Claude 4 model is quite eager to please and gives you a lot of suggestions what to do with these assets here. If anyone is interested in this tool, reach out to me. I'll give you access for free for a limited time to test this out. And once it's ready, I'll drop it for a small fee to connect to it. Thank you.